Wow, look at these birds. They are making nests. They're taking their young food, as you can see closely. So this tree is loaded with these nests. These are the birds that thread their nest. They thread it like as if you're sewing. So these are those birds. Look at they enter in from the bottom. They usually build two like entries. One to fool the predators, and one is a real entry. I thought this was sweet. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And listen to how they sound so beautiful. Wow. They are really talking, guys.